Find the unit vector of the vector OA equal to negative 4i plus 3j. For us to find the unit vector of any given vector, let's assume we have the vector OA equal to AI plus BJ. The unit vector of OA, which is denoted by OA cap as such, it is simply equal to 1 all over the magnitude of the vector OA times the vector OA. This is how we get the unit vector. And this will simply be equal to, this will be first the unit vector of OA to be equal to 1 all over the magnitude of the vector OA is the square root of, we take the x coordinate squared a squared plus the y coordinate squared b squared times the vector OA, which is AI plus BJ. We are going to make use of this formula to find the unit vector of the vector OA. First, we need the magnitude of the vector OA. The magnitude of the vector OA is given by the square root of negative 4 squared plus 3 squared. This will simply be equal to the square root of negative 4 squared. Negative 4 times negative 4 gives us 16 plus 3 squared. 3 times 3 gives us 9. This will simply be equal to the square root of 16 plus 9, which is 25. The square root of 25 is simply equal to 5. Knowing the magnitude of the vector OA, we can write down the unit vector of the vector OA. OA cap will simply be equal to 1 over the magnitude of OA, which is 5, times the vector OA, negative 4i plus 3j. This will simply be equal to, we are multiplying the vector by a scalar. We are simply going to multiply the components of the vector by the scalar. 1/5 times negative 4i gives us negative 4 on 5i plus 1/5 times 3j gives us 3 over 5j. The vector negative 4 over 5i plus 3 over 5j is the unit vector of the vector OA, which is equal to negative 4i plus 3j. You can verify it. The magnitude of this vector will give you 1. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.